Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Taurus. We'll cover essential procedures to keep your vehicle's systems running smoothly. Whether you're dealing with a frozen screen, a new battery installation, or other minor electrical issues, these steps can help. We'll discuss infotainment system, soft resets, battery management system procedures, and general electrical troubleshooting tips to get you back on the road with confidence. If your Ford Taurus's sync system is acting up, a soft reset is often the first solution. Begin by tapping the settings icon on your touchscreen, then select General, and finally, Master Reset. Confirm your choice to return the system to its factory defaults. For a frozen screen, simultaneously press and hold the audio system's power button and the Seek Right button for about 10 seconds until the screen reboots. After installing a new battery in your Ford Taurus, it's crucial to reset the battery management system. To do this, turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Within 10 seconds, flash your high beam headlights 5 times, then press the brake pedal 3 times. The battery light on your dashboard will flash to confirm the reset is complete, ensuring optimal charging. If a soft reset doesn't fix your sync problems, a hard reset by removing the fuse can help. Locate fuse number 9 in the fuse box, typically found under the steering wheel, remove it for 1 or 2 minutes, then reinsert it. For general electrical issues, disconnecting the vehicle's main battery for a few minutes can often clear minor glitches. Remember to always refer to your owner's manual for precise details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.